Hey, how's it going? Coach Lottie here for the Lesson 1 practical exam on the volleyball serve. And in this video, I'm going to explain which variables would determine whether or not a volleyball serve would clear the net. So, the first term I want to talk about is distance traveled. Is the volleyball going to have enough distance in the first place to be able to clear the net? Is the server going to strike the ball with enough force? Does the ball have enough power behind it to have the distance to clear the net, first of all? The second one is the displacement. So that's going to be the straight line distance in a specific direction from the starting to finish. So this is going to be the straight line from initial position to the final position. So that's great. The displacement of the ball will let us know if it has the distance to clear the net, but obviously, does it have the height to clear the net? So that's going to have more to do with the angle of the projectile when they're striking it. So when the server goes to strike the volleyball, it's got to be at the correct angle. As we saw in the video, it was kind of like at an upward angle. Shoot, where'd I put that? I've got kind of a little rough draft of like what I drew. So the person on the bottom, this is actually a jump serve. So as you can see, the server jumps up and hits the ball, and the ball's actually on a downward angle because he's hitting the ball with so much force, and he's in the air that the ball's trajectory is angled downward over the net. This one's more similar to the one in the video. The server's going to strike the ball, and the angle is going to be upward, a little more than 45 degrees over the net, and hopefully this person's not striking the ball to where the distance goes out of bounds. And then this one's obviously an underhand serve, which is hit with a little more force and kind of has a trajectory of more of a rainbow. But for the purpose of this video, we're looking at the ball flight in this picture. So the displacement, when it comes to that picture, are they hitting it too hard or not? And the vertical velocity of the ball, I want to talk about that when the server throws it up and then hits it. That the vertical velocity of the ball after impact up and down, that's going to have a lot to do with the launch angle as well. Is the hitter going to hit the ball straight down and put that ball downward under the net? They're going to want to hit the ball and hit the ball vertically just at the right point where it's going to reach up over the net. So yeah, that's those are some of the terms that I found in chapter 2. And I definitely learned a lot more about the volleyball serve.